Hey YouTubers, here's some meal prep for 3 quick and semi-healthy meals. Cooking up some mushrooms and I'll make Beyond Burgers on the skillet. Hope you enjoy. Beyond Burgers cooking. The mushrooms and the onions. They cook like real burgers. They're gonna go on the grill soon next time. So the only cheese I had was mozzarella, so I made my cheese hats anyways with some mushrooms in it. And they turned out really good because cheese hats are awesome. Put one right side up and one upside down, and it made for a really good burger with some mushrooms. You got to try these Beyond Burgers. They're good. Next meal, more mushrooms getting cooked up and some Boca fake meat. Again, I'm trying to do some healthy stuff with some mini peppers. They make brown ones too. Got to cover it in sriracha sauce and some Roja sauce, which is very, very good. The mushrooms in the Boca are nice cooked up. Then I added the mini peppers in, diced them up kind of bite size, diced up some onion and threw that in there. Cooked it all up together. I'm telling you, it's coming along good. Then I decided to make them on whole wheat tortilla burritos. There you go. That looks pretty good. Huh? Add some lettuce to it. Add cheddar jack because this meal was before the last. Alright, there's the fake meat and veggies on there. Gonna put some more of this sauce on. I put a bunch. And I put a bunch of my good stuff in while I was cooking the rooster. Alright, I'm going to taste this. Roll it up and taste it. Alright, there we go. Eating healthier. Oh, that's good. That sauce is kicking it good. But eating healthier is not a bad thing. And I look at it as a way of making a deal with yourself. Eat a little healthier now so you can splurge later. Great and wonderful day. All right, time for more Beyond Burgers. Gonna season them up, and this time a little bit different. All right, we're gonna put the Beyond Burgers on there. I just seasoned them up with that little light seasoning. And I just want to say, if you're trying to do environmental stuff, that's a pretty darn big package for 2 patties. Okay. Now I have some more seasoning to put on here. And I'm going to do these very plain today. Very plain. Other than this seasoning, that's going to be about it. Just going to let them cook. Oh, maybe I'll keep this up here for a while like this, so you can see them start bleeding. You can hear them bleed. Now, I do want to say that these cook up on the grill like real beef does. You know, they fry up on a skillet or in a pan, pretty similar to beef does, but on here on the grill, they're sizzling and popping and bleeding a little bit. I think a lot of meat eaters would be surprised like I am that they actually do taste like real beef. Okay, probably too early, but I'm gonna flip. Oh. They cook up like burgers. They get really good grill marks, just like beef again. All right, I'm gonna close it for a minute, for a couple minutes. So in this part, when I sped it up, I tried to leave it running so I could, again, talk. This is my Char-Broil Grill to Go, and it's that infrared thing where it has a strange wavy pattern to the grill, and it smokes like this a lot because the grease or whatever drips down into a channel, and then the hot air hits it and it kind of vaporizes. So it looks like it's burning, but it's really not. It cooks great. Okay, we're gonna flip it. Don't worry, that's how this grill to go is supposed to cook. The way the grill is, it keeps things really juicy. I think I've had it about 3 summers now, maybe 4. I'm losing track. But I've been really happy with this grill, and if I ever had to replace it, I think I'd buy another one because I really do like the way it cooks. Oh, it's about 400 in there. Woo. It grills up nicely. Yeah. I'm gonna let it keep going. So basically, I'm really happy with the Beyond Beef, even though I think Impossible's better for fake meats. That tastes even more like real hamburger, real beef. And I'm still, like I was saying, happy with this grill because the way it smokes like that gives you more flavor in the food, whatever it is you're cooking, whether it's fake stuff or real food. We're almost at 450. I like to flip. Oh, they're looking good. I'm gonna shut the grill off and get everything else ready. I know a lot of people are like, no way, but hey, try it, you might like it. Like I told you, I'm just gonna do these pretty basic. The Beyond Burgers come out a little seasoned. They have a seasoning in them, and I just use that one stuff. And I'm gonna put a piece of just American cheese, cheese hat in this one, and sriracha, and gotta do a smiley face. Oh, gotta do a smiley face. Here along the top. Put the tops of the buns on. And in here is my broccoli with just lemon juice. That's how I like my broccoli. Simple, healthy, good. Again, the Beyond Burgers are just not meat. You know, they're fake meat, plant-based stuff. I wouldn't call it health food. There's still some fat and stuff like that in it, but I think they taste good. Broccoli. And now, just a very plain burger. I think they're good. I really do. They're close enough to beef that I don't mind them at all. So, hope you enjoy. Try to eat some healthier stuff time to time so you can eat some unhealthy stuff from time to time. Have a great and wonderful day. And I had to sneak in for the cat fans out there. They're doing just fine.